Tell us what you think of it.
It was the best thing we've ever attended, and I've attended many, many seminars over the last 10 years. And I have to say, we loved it, and my boys will love you forever because you just changed their lives.
Really exceeded our expectations about this and what you provide and the value. And want to be with you guys to learn this and to grow the business and to grow the industry. But do it more often, do it the right way, the way it's supposed to be done. And hats off to you guys, you and your staff especially, and the speakers for coming out. Appreciate that. Thank you guys much.
Thank you very much.